Hello everyone, this is Neha Badlani, Energy Tarot Reader with Cool Kanya. Here's your weekly energy for the week of November 30th to December 6, 2020.
Aries.
Aries, it feels like the energies are indicating an important choice that needs to be made this week. The decision should be definitely made from the heart with an absolute devotion to the outcome and without any reservation. If there's any question in your mind as to how to proceed, then you must weigh the matter and choose very carefully because there are going to be few options in front of you, Aries, to make good choices and to be clear about your personal beliefs and values. Make sure you stay true to them and don't get swayed this time around. Not all decisions are going to be easy, but do not carry out activities or this choosing an option based on a fear, worry, guilt, or shame, because that's not going to serve you and will just probably go against you, and in that negativity you might end up choosing something that's not in the highest good for you. By communicating openly and honestly with those who you care about, especially at the work front, be it with your colleagues, bosses, or peers, you will create a harmonious environment and you will build on fulfilling relationships with mutual respect. In summary, there is a need for careful deliberation for choices. There could be a little fork in the road which will, make you stop and think, but choose peace and everything should work out just fine. Have a fantastic one.
Taurus.
It's a wonderful week for you, Taurus. Your artistic talents, along with your nurturing instincts, give you the ability to manifest beautiful and amazing works, be it on the personal front, your creative front, or the work front. Your plans will flourish and grow so long as you give them devoted attention and love. Don't begrudge, any tasks you have this week. Do it with, full love, excitement, enthusiasm. If your focus is upon family matters such as relationships, children, pregnancy, you can be rest assured of happy outcomes. Likewise, your career endeavors will also be extremely successful this week. A new venture, current employment, ongoing projects, self-employment, business, investments, all are bound to see success. You are in a period of growth, Taurus, so make the most of this time. Discover different approaches if you can of expressing yourself creatively, because that will give you more motivation to keep going, be it through painting, music, art, theater, or any other forms. This energy channel will also help progress your career or work front. In summary, you have the determination to get things done. It is the time to move forward and you will see successful outcomes. Have a fantastic one.
Gemini.
Promises of passion, opportunity, and inspiration come your way this week. It is a time of action, and you are called to take upon whatever activity motivates you the most and make great changes in your life. If you've been feeling stuck in the past few weeks, this is the week where things finally start moving. Don't hesitate to move forward with the tides and the times that are changing. It's not necessary right now, Gemini, to know every single detail of what's going to come next in order to take action. Just move. You may be offered a new job or a promotion, or you could start investing in your own business. You could start a passion project or side hustle. Accept new adventures and opportunities with open arms, Gemini. You may be interested in taking a class, an online course, or sort of following through on your creative spirit as well. For example, some of you might enroll in a photography class, a digital course, a self-improvement program. Whatever be it, it's a great time for learning and upskilling. Trust this experience that is going to open you up to even more possibilities. In summary, a new sense of wonder, new opportunities arrive, and growth and potential are on the horizon. Have a fantastic one.
Cancer.
This is not a time of action for you, but more of reflection and meditation. Have faith that events will unfold perfectly and that you will know when to move forward. Remain patient right now, be at peace. Know that your inner guidance is not going to fail you. The answers that you are seeking regarding a particular situation at work or finances, they are within you. They cannot be found through intellect, but instead as a product of your deepest feeling. So don't focus so much on what the mind is saying, but just tap into that inner knowing or the gut feeling. Collaborate rather than compete, create rather than destroy. These are the approaches that are going to help you progress on the work front with your colleagues, peers, bosses this week. uh, in summary, listen to your intuition, tap in, a period of no action or a period of rest and work only on those projects that feel absolutely right to you and relate and resonate with you. Have a fantastic one.
Leo.
Life is wonderful, Leo. Great things are headed your way, and your plans will succeed beyond your wildest dreams. So, if you are feeling down and out, I would say cheer up right about now. Keep your thoughts and words positive at all times, and you will thrive. Believe in yourself and those around you during this magical time of your life. Be optimistic, but also be realistic, Leo, and march towards tasks at hand in a very pragmatic way. Public recognition, awards, appreciation on the work front or on the career front are very possible at this time. The obstacles that you're seeing are going to be removed, and they can be, out of the way if you put your mind to it. Negotiations, contracts, appraisals, new projects all go in your favor. So if you have been contemplating on starting something new or, saying yes to something, this is the time to do it. It's time to see the bright side of life. In summary, there is personal and professional satisfaction, success, and exuberance, and all your plans will start falling in place now. Have a fantastic one.
Virgo.
It's time to take a break, Virgo. The situation you find yourself in will not benefit from more thinking or more action at this moment. Are you getting enough sleep? Because if you've not, your energy is out of whack, it's out of balance. And if you've been ill, make sure you take all the time necessary for full recovery. If you're feeling fatigued or burnt out at work, it's time to step back. It would probably be best not to even think about any career changes, work situations for a while. Resist the urge to challenge those that disagree with you. Maintain a status quo and try and maintain a harmony at work this week. The key to a successful solution is likely to arise, from just taking some downtime, meditation, or just, unexpected epiphanies could come your way while doing something so routine like taking a quiet walk or listening to music. Maybe some lyrics of a song pop out for you and, hold the answer to your questions. If you want to start a new project, change jobs, make some new investments, just delay and defer all of these decisions, by a couple of weeks because now is not the time. In summary, step back for now, let it all go, and get more information before making a decision. Have a fantastic one.
Libra.
It's important for you to follow your passions and do your very best work. That's how you're wired. There is great skill, talent, and potential within you. The tasks at hand, be it a business or an employment, they can be a joyful experience and they could bring recognition and financial gains and rewards this week. This is a time of great personal growth in your career or any artistic endeavors or a side project or any hobby or passion also that you've taken on. Working with others in a cooperative, happy manner is very important to you. You are all about balance, so make sure you maintain that balance this week. Get the input of those around you, be it colleagues or people you work with, and don't be afraid to confidently share your ideas. People do look up to you right now, so claim your personal power this week, Libra. It's your time to shine now. In summary, you might be getting paid for being creative. Awareness of your potential is really important, so you can tap inside and bring it to the surface. And you'll probably be a mentor to someone this week, and people are going to look up to you. Have a fantastic one.
Scorpio.
This is the beginning of a very new and positive emotional experience in your life. It may be a new person you've become very close to, or that a situation has come about your way or will come your way that's going to fill you with joy. Your dreams are getting fulfilled. Financial projects and contracts will start going your way. Obstacles are lifted. You've worked hard, Scorpio, and now it's the time to find joy in the smaller things and enjoy the finer things of life. You've acted with wisdom clearly, and you've been cautious to ensure that you make only the best choices for yourself. Your self-reliance is paying off. Now is the time, to take this opportunity of all the hard work done of the past and make this week very enjoyable for you. Take time to relax and enjoy life because you've earned it. You find spending time alone to be a very enriching and gratifying experience, so you can do more of that this week. There is a peace and well-being you find in the quietude of your own thoughts. So stay still, spend time with yourself, enjoy your earnings. In summary, wise choices of the past are paying off. Spending quality time will make you happy, and enjoy your earnings and all your success that you're gaining right now. Have a fantastic one.
Sagittarius.
It is the time for swift action. It will be necessary to move with great decisiveness and confidence this week. Develop a plan and know exactly how to carry it forward. Also, be open to improvising on last minute or end minute changes, as things on the professional front could see some plans being revised. There is a great deal of activity on the work front, Sagittarius, especially on certain projects which you are responsible for. This energy encourages you to follow your mind over your heart for results you desire. While you're urged to act quickly, you mustn't act impulsively. Be politically correct on the work front with colleagues and authority figures and leadership positions if possible. You have the wit and the strength to carry out all tasks that require, you to be a boss lady or a boss man this week. So, pull out that strength inside of you and be a champion. In summary, sudden changes could come your way, so you'll have to, find it in you to improvise. There is a need of diplomacy on the work front, and pick one thing at work and do it well and be a champion on that front. Have a fantastic one.
Capricorn.
Finally, Capricorn, your hopes and dreams are going to become a reality. Financial and material gratification is going to start flowing to you as a reward for all the hard work of the past. Worries fade, fears dissolve. Life is going to be magical once again. Beauty and happiness are yours. Life is joyful. There is an opportunity to kick back and have some fun. It could be a celebration, an event. It could be an online social gathering. Whatever it is, make sure you do participate. For those struggling, because some of you are, and I see that, just know that your financial concerns are going to fade away slowly but surely, and the income that you're seeking, or maybe there's some pending payment that has to be given to you from somewhere, it will all come into place. Have a savings plan in place. Make sure you budget your expenses carefully, and most importantly, have a deservingness mindset. Know that you deserve abundance. Operate from that kind of state of mind and see the magic of manifestation. In summary, the simple pleasures of life are yours to enjoy. Financial solutions will come about, and enjoy this time of bounty. Have a fantastic one.
Aquarius.
It's important to have balance, Aquarius, this week. You may be working multiple jobs or doing multiple things at your current job, or you have several projects going on all at once. So please reconsider your to-do list. Is it really necessary to accomplish all at one time? The key to managing stress is to think of ways, to make your situation more fun, more playful. So look at life in that way. Find the humor in situations if you can. You may be having challenges, balancing your budget, but you're smart enough to manage it anyway. You'll find it in you to, strategize your way around this. Be cautious of juggling your finances in a way that causes long-term difficulties. So if you are looking at an investment and you think it'll be great, 2 months down the line, but 2 years down the line, it's not the best decision, then I don't think you should go for it. Career changes should be looked at very carefully, and any decisions regarding work, projects, hiring, quitting, working with people, collaborating, starting something new, investing, business, all of it should be made very slowly and logically, with a plan written down and mapped out, keeping only the long-term success in mind. In summary, you can go with the flow, but also have a plan in place. There are going to be a lot of tasks this week, but with your juggling abilities, you make it all look easy, and you have the ability to get by even on limited resources, but to expand on those resources, have a budgeting plan in place. Have a fantastic one.
Pisces.
There's always a better way, Pisces. You probably noticed that your past approaches might no longer be working for you. The energies are asking you to stop, pause what you're doing, and look at things from a different perspective. Projects and activities may be coming to an abrupt halt. Don't keep pushing forward, hoping that the more force you put, the more things will drive you to where you want to go. That's not always the case. Sometimes surrender does the trick. So surrender to the opportunity and pause and view things and assess and reassess and reevaluate where you are on your path. Something new is emerging and you won't be able to see it, Pisces, until you allow time and space for it to come through. Make space for serendipity and don't try and control everything. In summary, look at things from a different perspective, surrender with faith, and a need to reassess and reevaluate situations. Have a fantastic one.